So बच्चे, the topic for today is when credit balance as per passbook is given. When credit balance as per passbook is given, the same format we will make for bank reconciliation statement as on 31st March 2017. Particulars plus and minus. Have a look on illustration number 14. On 31st March 2017, bank passbook of Mohan showed a balance of 15,000 to his credit. Credit balance as per passbook is given to you. Credit balance as per passbook. You all remember that passbook debit is minus and credit is plus. Where in cash book debit is plus and credit is minus. So we are going to make passbook, and passbook's credit is always plus. So this balance will be put in plus column. 15,000 in plus column. Credit balance of passbook is given to you. It will be written in plus column. Second thing, बच्चे, second transaction, before that date, before this date, बच्चे, he had issued checks amounting to rupees 8,000. Checks are issued. It should be first issued from cash book, of which checks amounting to rupees 3,200 have so far been presented for payment. Means from passbook only 3,200 are being subtracted. What should we do, बच्चे? See, in cash book we have subtracted 8,000. In passbook we have subtracted till now 3,200 only. We have to change the passbook to make them equal. What should we do? There is a difference of 4,800 rupees. 8,000 minus 3,200, 4,800 is the difference. We should deduct a 4,800 from passbook to make them equal. We have to make them equal, and we have to change the passbook because the balance as per passbook is given. So we have to make changes in passbook. So this 4,800 will be subtracted to make them equal. Check issued but not presented for payment. This you have to mention. Go to the third. Now, Vachi, what is given? A check of rupees 2,200 paid by him into the bank on 26th March is not yet credited by the passbook. A check of rupees 2,200 he have deposited but not yet credited by the passbook. Not credited means not added by the passbook. Now we have to make cash book equal to passbook, and by changing the passbook only. So we will add rupees 2,200 in the passbook because we have given the balance as per passbook. So we will add this 2,200 into the passbook. Check paid, not collected. Check paid but not collected. Next, बचे fourth. He had also received a check for rupees 500, which, although entered by him in the bank column of cash book, was omitted to be banked. What happened? A check of rupees 500 we have collected and entered in the bank column of cash book. We have entered in the cash book, but we omitted to be banked. We have not deposited this check into the bank. So we have to change passbook and we will add into the passbook. This 500 will be added. Check omitted to be recorded. Fifth transaction, बच्चे. On 30th March, a check for rupees 1570 received by him was paid into the bank, but the same was omitted to be entered in cash book. But he have received a check of rupees 1570 and sent it into the bank. In bank it is added, but he himself forget to write in the cash book. He received a check and he sent the check into the bank. In bank it is added, but he himself forgot or omit to record in the cash book. So we have to make change in passbook only. We can't change the cash book because we are going with the balance of passbook. So we have to subtract this. According to cash book, we have to make the passbook equal by changing the passbook only. Though it is logically correct or incorrect, but we have to change the passbook. So we will subtract this 1570. 1570 we will subtract. Check paid but not entered in cash book. Check paid but not entered in cash book. So we will subtract 1570. Last is बच्चे, there was a credit of 150. There was a credit of 150 on account of interest and debit of 25 as charges. 150 was given as an interest and there was a debit of 25 as bank charges. These two things has been done in the passbook only, not in the cash book. So we will just do the opposite. We will deduct 150 and add 25. We have to make cash book equal to passbook. So what we will do? We will deduct 150 and add 25. Sixth and last transaction it was credit of interest and debit of bank charges. The whole question line you can write. Now how we will calculate the answer? Just total it up the plus and minus column. 17, 725, 6520. Now the plus is bigger than minus. So from this we will deduct this and we will get 11,205. This we will call the positive balance, na? Debit balance as per cash book. If we are starting with passbook, the ending answer will be cash book. Any doubt, Vijay? Illustration number 15. From the following particulars, prepare bank reconciliation statement in the books of Sri J.P. Kansal as on 30th June 2016. So we will write here bank reconciliation statement as on 30th June 2016. Balance as per passbook 6,000. So it is not stated debit or credit, it will be assumed favorable balance. Okay. Balance as per passbook we will write in plus column 6,000. Out of total checks amounting to rupees 37500 drawn by Shri Kansal, check aggregating 5,000 were encashed in June, checks aggregating 4,000 were encashed in July and rest have not been presented at all. So bache, if you will see it deeply na, this we have deducted from cash book, but till June only 5,000 is deducted from the passbook. From cash book we have deducted 37500. From passbook till June we are considering till June, not of July. We no need to see the July, we have to consider till June 30th. Till June 30th only 5,000 was deducted. So what we will do now? What we will do now? We have to change the passbook because we are going with the balance of passbook. So we will deduct 32,500 more to make them equal. 37,500 is deleted from cash book and till June only 5,000 was deducted from passbook. So what we will do, 32,500 we will deduct more from the passbook. Out of total checks amounting to rupees 12,000 deposited, checks aggregating 7,500 were credited in June. So this we have deposited. In cash book we must have written 12,000 add. In cash book we have added 12,000, but in passbook only 7,500 is credited till this date. Whatever is being in July we will not consider that. Till June we have just added 7,500. So 12,000 minus 7,500 we will add 4,500 more to make them equal because we have to change the passbook only. So bank has charged 27 rupees as its commission for collecting outstation and allowed interest of 330. Bank have added rupees 330 in our account. It will be deducted because it is not recorded in cash book, and this we have they have deducted, but it is not deducted from cash book, so it will be added back. Then a wrongly amount wrongly debited by the bank. Bank's debit means minus. Bank's debit means minus. Bank has done a mistake. He have deducted. So we have to change passbook and we will add it back. Next, a check of rupees 1200 was entered in cash book in the June, but was sent to the bank in July. We have entered in cash book means cash book is added. It is not added in passbook till June, so it will be added in the passbook. Last bache, a check of rupees 13,300 paid into the bank was returned dishonored, but no intimation was received from the bank till this date. We have added in the cash book but not entered in the passbook, so we will add it in the